There are many times na napatunayan naman na natin na the audiences are willing to pay. Kung gusto nilang material.
Yeah, exactly. I'm well aware of that. My bottom line is, of course, primarily it has to be entertaining. And secondly, there should be a message. And third, yung uuwi ka makapag-isip ka, personally. And you wanna set parang you want people to talk about it. There should be a discourse.
Yes.
There should be a discourse because that's for me the most important thing. Sayang naman yung sa kalahating oras na sasayangin mo kung wala kang matututunan at wala kang question. So it's nothing being political. It's not being educational, but as a film lover, alam natin yung papasukin natin is it worth our time. And then ako sa dami ng pinapanood, I never stop watching because I never want to stop learning. So I hope I'm able to do stuff that I am able to share with everyone. Not to be preachy about it, but for people to just learn from it and ask themselves.
Pero do you also believe na the key is to study your audience talaga?
Yeah, that's what we're doing. And with the concepts, that's why it took us a while before we could actually bring this out, because there were a lot of questions during the FGDs na kailangan mong sagutin. Kasi the last thing you want is yung mga loopholes. The last thing you want is yung sayang hindi ko na ano. So we make sure that's all answered or that's taken care of. Otherwise, nakakahiya. So yun lang naman yung sa akin as a producer, as a filmmaker, I have to make sure na hindi boring or hindi sayang yung oras na igugugol mo sa pelikula pag nanoorin mo.
PJ, ano sa palagay mo dapat gawin ng government para makatulong na pagbalik ang tao sa simbahan?
Really, support it. I mean, there are other countries like Korea, for that matter. They support the film industry, and that's what we've been trying to ask the government. Because if you don't got the support of the government, we can only do so much. People are practical not to go to the cinemas to pay for this much amount for a movie that they can watch or they can rip, online. Pero iba pa rin yung disiplina ng cinema. And sana magkaroon tayo. We have the actor, who's really trying to parang do something with different agencies such as FDCP, Film Academy, lahat yan, di ba? Mole Fund. Nagtutulong-tulong naman tayo. Pero yun nga, marami hindi po natatapos yan. How we can better present yung working hours, the films, sana may rebate. Kasi ito, as you can see, it's not even an hour 30. Well, we spend so much for it. Yun yung respeto mo sa cinema, na hindi mo siya shortchange because sayang yung opportunity. And pag tinulungan tayo ng government, mas magkakaroon siguro kami ng backbone para gumawa pa ng mas malaking pelikula, para mas ma-encourage pa natin yung mga tao. Pero sana nga bawasan nga yung sinehan, yung bayad sa sinehan para mas marami makapanood.
Malaking factor ba yun, Papa P, na talagang babawasan? Although babawasan
kasi luxury na siya ngayon Unlike during our time, pwede kang pumunta buong klase, di ba? Pwede mong ilibre. Ngayon, papanood mo, bibili mo lang ng kape o ikakain mo lang, hintayin mo lang palabas sa So that's why you have to offer something na hindi nila mariresist kung hindi nila panoorin sa sinehan.
Paano yung priority ng mga sinehan ng foreign films other than the local films?
Paano yung priority? Ang nag-decide po mga sinihan mga theater owners, so labas tayo doon. Siguro what's good is to have a compromise, for us to prioritize the local content more than the foreign, but of course they have to make business. So syempre ma-echo pera pa rin tayo, but if we have the importance that we need from our government, from our country, then magkakaroon naman siguro tayo ng chance to come up with something even more expensive projects. Kasi hindi lang siya required. Kumbaga, yun na papakita mo yung pagiging nationalistic mo. I mean, I love watching foreign films, but I also love watching Tagalog because that's my heart, and I'm from here. So dapat magkaroon ng ganong awareness yung tao na we're doing this not just for ourselves but for our country, because we want to be able to come up with films that speak about the times, that speak about the generations, that speak about our nurture, our nation, our culture, our society. And dito tayo matututo pag pinanood natin yung mga local content natin. So sana ma-realize hindi lang ng mga bata kundi ng mga eskwelahan, pati mga government agencies, para magkatulong-tulong at mabuhay ulit yung industriya ng pelikulang Pilipino. Boto niyo po ako.
Thank you, Papa P.